Validation and Verification Manager is an Eclipse plugin, created as part of the AMASS platform. Its purpose is to send the formal properties of a model to validation and verification tools, and to receive and present the results of validation and verification to the user. The automated semantic requirements analysis performed by various V&V tools consists of the following activities: consistency, redundancy, realizability, and completeness checking. Part of Case Study 7 is formal verification of gesture recognition system for touchscreens. The system architecture is depicted in the block definition diagram. The block named gesture recognition contains several input or output flow ports and some contracts. The contracts contain the formal properties expressed in the language of a temporal logic. The formal properties reference the flow ports and describe the qualities and relationships of the signals flowing through the ports. Till now we were focused on how the model and the formalized properties of the gesture recognition system were captured. In the rest of the video, we will present how the validation or verification is invoked from the V&V manager and what results are presented. The validation or verification is initiated by sending an OSLC automation plan and request to the verification servers. After receiving an OSLC automate request for a V&V activity, the verification server finds out to which available V&V tools to forward the request and translates the request into appropriate formats. During the validation or verification, the V&V manager monitors the validation or verification tools via the verification server using OSLC performance monitoring. The V&V results view of the AMASS platform is updated according to the current status of the verification. This is useful because several tasks by different tools can be performed in parallel and each task can be finished after a quite different period of time. For example, checking the logical consistency of the requirements is not as demanding as checking their realizability. The user is continuously informed about which tasks have been completed already. The outcome of the verification server announced that the requirements on the block are consistent and non-redundant. Nevertheless, one of V&V tools found out that the requirements are not realizable. Therefore, we have to fix the requirements to make it possible to create a system that satisfied all their requirements. The modified formal properties now tackle the possible situations more carefully and allow the system to always abide the requirements. Let us run the automated checking of formal properties again. Now the response from the V&V tools reflects the changes. The evidence that the updated specification is realizable is provided by the automated validation and verification. The V&V results view confirms the realizability of the system and also provides the description of the behavior which realizes the requirements. This will be used in future to detect possible missing requirements.